What is a nebula? Nebula is a Latin word which means cloud. But when we're discussing about the universe, we are not talking about our average clouds that we see during
2.
Nebulae in context of universe are interstellar clouds that are made of plasma, helium, hydrogen and dust. Our galaxy has many nebulae, and astronomers have found these clouds in other galaxies, as well. Nebulae are usually formed by gravitational collapse of gases in the interstellar medium.
2.
The particles that collapse have their own gravitational attraction and they clump together to form these clouds. Nebulae are ginormous. They may stretch over hundreds of light years across. A light year is essentially the distance that light can travel in 1 year. As stars die and lose their materials to space, their gases and dust mix with clouds of gas, creating the complex nebulae we see. They have myriads of shapes. Some look like a horse head, some look like a crab, some like a butterfly and some look like cat's eye. Most nebulae contain the stuff of stars and planets, including gases, dust, and complex molecules. According to scientists, gas and dust inside these nebulae squash together under their own gravitational pull. As a result, the clouds start contracting and get denser. The denser they become, the hotter they get. Eventually they become so hot that hydrogen present in them gets ignited and new stars comes to life. Ultraviolet rays are emitted and the entire nebula is lit up, resulting in what is known as
5.
Emission nebulae are usually pink or red in color because of the sizzling hot particle rays, but they can have other colors. The Orion constellation
1.
that we see has an emission nebula known as Orion Nebula, which is closest one to Earth at a distance of 1,300 light-years from us, and stretches to a distance of 25 light-years. Apart from emission nebulae, we have other types of nebulae known as the reflection nebulae. They are so named because they do not emit their own light. They only reflect the light from the nearby stars. Reflection nebulae appear blue in color. The Orion constellation also has a reflection nebula which is known as the Witch Head Reflection Nebula because it looks like the head of a witch from the side. Our Sun and planets formed in a nebula some 4.5 billion years ago. About 5 billion years from now, our Sun will become a nebula.